Modern Warfare 2 is on the horizon and KontrolFreek is back with some new exclusive themed thumbsticks. Some items you'll see in this video are limited quantity, so if you really want something, make sure you act fast. There's also some keyboard and mouse stuff they're doing for you non-controller players that I'll touch on at the end as well. And remember, if you want to pick up these sticks or anything from KontrolFreek, make sure you use my code and link below for an exclusive discount. So all Modern Warfare 2 thumbsticks, regardless of when you purchase them, come with bonus in-game content. And these give you 2 high-rise thumbstick. Oh wait, I should be careful with this because I don't want to rip the code.
A few moments later.
Oh, I ripped it. GG. Anyway, the codes will reward you with these calling cards when Modern Warfare 2 launches, and you'll likely be able to use them in Warzone 2.0 too. Well, let's take these off here and get you a nice close look at what these things look like. The design of the Modern Warfare 2 thumbsticks is the Task Force 141 insignia on it with the Modern Warfare green, which happens to be the KontrolFreek green as well. And again, both sticks are high-rise, and I will be throwing these on the controller here in just a sec so we get a true grip test with them and see how they feel. But before that, I want to show off the Task Force 141 challenge coin. I'll cut to some actual B-roll here so you can see the thing close up. But yeah, for the design, you got Ghost with the branding text on the back. Now on the other side is the Task Force 141 logo in full color, which I don't think I've seen a colored challenge coin before from them, so that's pretty neat. And now let me throw on the KontrolFreeks onto my controller here. Make sure you got them on the first way. If you guys haven't been into KontrolFreeks like the last year and a half, they do have 4 prongs on the back now, so they stay on your controller a little bit better. They're also a little harder to put on and move around, but yeah, they don't like move around as easy and slip. They just stay how you put them. And yeah, so grip test wise, these are fairly flat. There's not really a dip or mound to them like you'll see in most KontrolFreeks. I know some people are worried about these types of designs on the thumbsticks because they hurt your fingers in some cases, but these ones are comfy at all. I don't even really feel the design. It's just like a little texture that helps your finger stay grippy on the controller, which will help your right stick have that precision aiming a whole lot more, and then your left stick is just, you don't have to put as much force in to move around, and they're really nice. If you guys don't know how KontrolFreeks work, I'll link a video up here that you can go check out that explains all these science behind them. But wait, don't click on that just yet because there's even more Modern Warfare 2 peripherals. 2 different Modern Warfare 2 themed mouse pads available. One is Ghost and the other one is Task Force 141. There's also a keyboard cap, except there's only 1,000 of these made, so if you want them, make sure you act fast. Each of them are numbered from 1 to 1,000 and they're made from premium materials and they're compatible with most mechanical key switches. If you know, you know. So I'll say it one more time, if any of these peripherals or the thumbsticks interest you, you can find them all on the KontrolFreek website. The link below will take you directly there, and don't forget to use my coupon code SYNSKATER, that's SYNSK8R. For those of you that have been following the channel, yes, that is my old channel name. I'm working on it, changing that, but yeah, use that link or that code. That will save you 10% off any order. Now, I'd love to get some COD gameplay with these new thumbsticks, but that's going to be in a future video. Maybe when Modern Warfare 2 comes out, I'll be doing some like controller cam with these new thumbsticks. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. Don't forget to tap that like button, and here is that video that explains all the science behind how KontrolFreeks work. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.